Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Hostinger. First, you will need to select a hosting plan that perfectly suits your project, whether it is a small blog or a large e-commerce store. Hostinger offers various options, often starting from just a few dollars per month. Next, choose a unique domain name that clearly identifies your brand. Finally, complete the straightforward initial setup steps within your Hostinger control panel to get started. Once your hosting is ready, the next crucial step is installing your chosen content management system. Hostinger provides a user-friendly auto-installer, allowing you to set up popular platforms like WordPress in just a few clicks, often taking less than 5 minutes. If WordPress isn't your preference, you can also easily install other systems such as Joomla or Drupal. Always ensure your CMS is kept updated for optimal security and access to the newest features. With your CMS installed, it is time to bring your vision to life through design. Begin by selecting a professional theme or template that perfectly matches your website's purpose and aesthetic. Hostinger often includes access to hundreds of free and premium options. Then, use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to customize colors, fonts, and layouts. Remember to create essential pages like About Us, Contact, and a clear services or products section. Before making your website live, conduct thorough testing of all its functionalities, including forms, links, and mobile responsiveness. This ensures a smooth user experience for every visitor. Once satisfied, you are ready to launch your site to the world. Remember, ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update your content, themes, and plugins, and implement robust security measures to keep your website safe and performing at its best.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.